Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Speed Reading Mastery Double Reading Speed Skillshare Class. Lecture 4. Introduction. The Science of Eye Movement and Visual Perception. Techniques for reducing unnecessary eye movements. Exercises for improving peripheral vision and expanding visual span. Training eye muscles for faster and smoother reading, visual cues and markers for faster. Comprehension, putting it all together, enhancing eye movement. And visual perception. The science of eye movement and visual perception. Did you know that when you read, your eyes don't move smoothly across the page? Instead, they make quick jumps called saccades, pausing briefly at certain points to take in information. Understanding these eye movement patterns is crucial for improving reading speed and comprehension. Visual perception also plays a key role in reading. Our brains use visual cues to interpret and understand text, and being able to quickly process this information is essential for efficient reading. By learning more about eye movement and visual perception, we can train ourselves to become better readers. Techniques for reducing unnecessary eye movements. One technique for reducing unnecessary eye movements during reading is to use a pointer, such as a pen or your finger, to guide your eyes along the text. This helps to keep your eyes focused on one point and reduces the need for constant refocusing. Another technique is to adjust the font size and spacing of the text. Smaller fonts and crowded text can make it difficult for your eyes to track smoothly across the page, leading to more frequent eye movements. By increasing the font size and spacing, you can make the text easier to read and reduce unnecessary eye movements. Exercises for improving peripheral vision and expanding visual span. Peripheral vision and visual span are crucial components of efficient reading. By expanding your visual span, you can take in more information with each eye movement, reducing the number of fixations needed to read a line of text. This can lead to faster reading speeds and improved comprehension. To improve your peripheral vision and expand your visual span, try practicing with a technique called chunking. Chunking involves grouping words together into meaningful phrases and taking them in at once. Start with short phrases and gradually increase the length as you become more comfortable. Another exercise is to use a tool called a fixation trainer, which displays words in a way that encourages wider eye movements with regular practice. These exercises can help improve your peripheral vision and expand your visual span, leading to more efficient reading. Training eye muscles for faster and smoother reading. Did you know that your eyes have muscles? And just like any other muscle in your body, they can be trained to perform better. Training your eye muscles can help you read faster and more smoothly, while also reducing eye strain and fatigue. One effective technique for training your eye muscles is called saccade training. This involves practicing moving your eyes quickly and accurately from one point to another. You can do this by focusing on a specific point and then quickly shifting your gaze to another point nearby. Repeat this exercise several times, gradually increasing the distance between the 2 points. Another technique is called fixation training, which involves holding your gaze steady on a single point for an extended period of time. This can help improve your focus and reduce eye fatigue during prolonged reading sessions. Using visual cues and markers for faster comprehension. Visual cues and markers are powerful tools that can help you read faster and comprehend better. By using these techniques, you can train your brain to recognize important information more quickly and easily. One effective way to use visual cues is to highlight keywords or phrases in the text. This can be done by underlining, circling, or using a different color to draw attention to important information. Another technique is to use arrows or other symbols to indicate connections between ideas or to show the flow of information. By visually organizing the text in this way, you can make it easier to understand and remember. Putting it all together, enhancing eye movement and visual perception. to enhance your eye movement and visual perception. It's important to understand the science behind how our eyes work. By reducing unnecessary eye movements, improving peripheral vision and visual span, training eye muscles, and using visual cues and markers, you can become a more efficient reader and improve your comprehension. One way to reduce unnecessary eye movements is to use techniques such as chunking and previewing. Chunking involves grouping words together into meaningful phrases, while previewing involves quickly scanning a text before reading it in detail. Additionally, exercises such as focusing on a single point and practicing relaxation techniques can help improve peripheral vision and visual span. Training eye muscles can be done through various exercises, such as tracking objects with your eyes or practicing speed reading. Finally, using visual cues and markers, such as underlining or highlighting important information, can help improve comprehension and make reading more efficient. Conclusion. In conclusion, enhancing eye movement and visual perception holds great potential for improving various aspects of human cognition and performance. Through the use of advanced technologies and training techniques, researchers have been able to unlock new possibilities for optimizing eye movements and enhancing visual perception. One key area where enhancing eye movement can have a significant impact is in sports performance. Athletes can benefit from improved eye tracking and fixation skills, allowing them to better anticipate and react to dynamic situations. By training their eyes to quickly scan the field or court, athletes can make faster decisions, improve accuracy, and gain a competitive edge. Moreover, eye movement and visual perception enhancements have the potential to revolutionize fields such as medicine and education. In medicine, eye movement can aid in the diagnosis and treatment of various visual disorders, including amblyopia and strabismus. Additionally, advancements in visual perception training can enhance surgical precision and reduce the risk of complications during delicate procedures. In the realm of education, enhancing eye movement and visual perception can lead to better learning outcomes. By improving reading skills, individuals can process information more efficiently and comprehend complex concepts more easily. Furthermore, visual perception training can enhance spatial awareness and object recognition, benefiting fields such as architecture and design. However, it is important to note that while enhancing eye movement and visual perception can yield significant benefits, it is not a one-size-fits-all solution. Individual differences, such as age, cognitive abilities, and existing visual impairments, must be considered when implementing training programs or interventions. In conclusion, advancements in technology and research have opened up exciting possibilities for enhancing eye movement and visual perception. By harnessing these advancements, we can improve sports performance, medical diagnoses, surgical outcomes, and educational outcomes. Continued research and development in this field have the potential to unlock even greater benefits and improve the quality of life for individuals across various domains.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.